Hello, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Like and subscribe to my and slap the bell. Okay, we can start. So we need the duct tape. So it is a helicopter escape. Yeah, a lot of 26 minutes. You watch the full game video. You guys asking? I just said I'm gonna put a walkthrough video. Next video will be walkthrough. In 3 days I will upload it. Yeah, you like this. So apparently it is not a good gameplay. This is not hard, pretty hard, so a little bit boring. Oh my god! I'm gonna go again. This second time. My god! This third time. Third. Now I'm gonna play the right. I got a crab just like that. Let's go. So this band is sus. So Granny and Gamba have to come. I have to say, Grandpa can't here, but he first man to come. Oh, where's Granny, man? What the flip? Granny, where are you? Do you want to play hide and seek, man? You gotta be kidding me, man. I'm not playing hide and seek right now. You're wasting my flipping time. You can't waste my time, man. You can't waste my time. You're wasting my time, bro. Like and subscribe to my channel. I got 3 more subscribers needed to hit 50 subscribers. Yeah, I'm not sure. You guys have watching the You Are Cristiano. He has 56 million. I don't even have it. 56 million subscribers. You Are Cristiano. So it's fine. So let's. Someday we will beat him. That will take a lot of years. Where is Granny? Oh, here he comes. So now we can go. This is so bad. Okay, the duct tape. We're gonna take the duct tape and we're gonna leave tape. Who names it the tape? That's the dumbest word name I'm gonna use it. So what? Oh my god! I'm not gonna waste time on this. What do you think? Wait. Can I take them to this room? Wait. I do it. I'm thinking. Wait, it's. Wait. Hold on. You can't see me. What the heck? Oh, there, you can't see me. You can't see me. So Granny is going to that room and I'm going to escape. Holy moly. My god, she didn't see me. Okay, we need to kill. Oh, found the stun gun. Stun gun is apparently the easiest way to kill. It's apparently the first easiest way. The glass fuse, we need it. So we need the glass fuse. I'm not sure. Granny, where are you? Do you want to play hide and seek? Grandpa, where are you? You want to play a fight? You want to fight with me? Come and get some. Because I'm ready for getting some. I'm gonna surprise you. There is a part that you guys will be impressed with. You guys need to hit it. That is the next shot of mine. First shot of mine. So, oh, here comes Grandpa. Shakaboom. Oh, he just dropped the ball. Oh my god. He is so indestructible. That was the scene. He was so indestructible. You gotta be kidding me. He couldn't be the stunned. It could have been day 1 we escaped. This is day 2. I'm not a best medical. Wait! I remember. There is a gun. The weapon key. I remember where's the weapon key. Oh, forgot. Forgot. This trick will work. This trick will work once back. My God, Grandpa, I like Grandpa because Grandpa is apparently the guy I liked most. Granny, I hate him so much. He's a bad influence for me. So this is not apparently just moment. Stand there. Okay, now I'm not scared. Come on. Who's coming to fight me? Who's the big boss of here to fight me? Who's the big boss here? Oh, we need the helicopter manual, so we need. Oh, there is my best friend. My man always comes. Sorry, man. Sorry, mate. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I have to kill you too. Ah, here comes the indestructible. Oh my God! What I just did to Grandpa. He's a good, respectable person. Oh, we got the security key and the glass fuse here. Respect Grandpa. Respect him. Look at those dead, disappointed to disappointment. Just wasting time on the floor, doing nothing, just sleeping for 2 minutes. And I'm getting all the stuff you keep. I'm going to stop you all from trying to kill him. They too disappeared. Put the cameras on. I could open the cameras on. We need the pictures, so that will be the apparently the such moment. I'm talking like a bad way to you guys, so I'm not going to talk like that once again. This is not good. We need to find a lot of things. We need the gasoline, we need the safety, we need the safe, we need the gasoline. No, we got the picture, we need the big door, trash, the weapon. Finally, I found the weapon. Okay, guys, wait, weapon key. Okay. You guys never watch my post. Please watch my post. I never get likes in my post. Oh my God. Bisa lah tayong bahay. Wait. Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah. So, you guys have it. I go. Gun. I got the gun. Who's coming to fight me, huh? Who's the big boy here? Now I'm the big boy, bro. I'm gonna kill you too. Oh no, the next video is the nightmare mode. It is so bloody. Oh my God, so ugly. And the granny and grandpa is more ugly in nightmare mode. And I'm playing easy mode, so you want to play hide and seek, man? Bro, I'm big boy. I'm the big boy here. You can't defeat me. I'm a big boy here. You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing to me. Okay. Oh, here comes the double shot. Double kill. Oh, wait. I just got a double kill. So we need the safe key. The safe key is under the little kid. I'm gonna kill that little kid. So sad, your grandson is going to die in my hands, not in my hands. Come on, man. You're gonna die right now. Rest in peace. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Look over here. We need this. We need this. This is important. You're gonna see another part that you guys always like. That part you guys will be liking it. We don't need nothing. What the hell, man? There is a glitch in this game right now. That is gonna be sus to me. So the organ had on a bench, taking the safe key. Let's go, yet. I know all this stuff. I know all this stuff. So I'm just normally apparently playing a game like a pro. So you guys can see how I do the pro things. That is why my channel is simple to see. Oh, grenade bomb. And grenade. Let's kill Granny and Grandpa. Where are you? Now I'm gonna play a big fight. This is the good part, you guys. This is a great part. This is where the Granny's gonna. They're not alive still. They're not alive, not alive. No! I'm gonna throw a gun at them and grenade. This is a good hiding spot. But you need to think quickly. But Granny and Grandpa, they will go to the store too. Because they don't have food. I only have one chicken. Ew. That is so ugly. They have only a one chicken leg. That is so apparently sus. So they need to go to the groceries and they will tell me, if you are awake, feed my kid. Feed my kid. I'm not feeding no kid. I want to escape. Holy guacamole. What the flip? Now I got the gun. Somebody go. Shakaboom. So I'm not sure. Let's go for Danger Dash. Danger Dash it is. Trash. Nobody there? Nobody? I'm going. Flip, flip. One for your life, one for your life, one for your life. I'm taking the next grenade. Taking the next grenade. Oh, Grandpa. You're the big boy here. Big boy. Okay, so apparently that didn't work. So I'm getting the stun gun once again. So that will be preventing sus. Game. Okay. Okay, I'm getting. Oh. Go. That is the bro. Isn't that cover? Flip. Okay, so I'm taking the gun again. taking the safety. Come on, I'm time wasted. You guys know I'm time waster. Okay. Gasoline! They want the gasolina song. That's hilarious. That's cool. Cool, bro. I am the guy who's going to kill that guy. What's up, Granny? Do you miss me? Oh, so sad. You get to go to the rest in peace area. Only 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's not good. And the second one is my own name, Grandpa. I like Grandpa. Grandpa is a time waster. Okay, the next picture, I'm taking it. So Grandpa is such a wasted. Oh, I don't care. I'm not gonna waste time on that. You gotta be kidding me, Grandpa is such a waste of this way, so okay. Okay, so okay, so this is not good. Oh, this glitch. This is so glitch right now. You gotta be kidding me, guys. This is a such good glitch. Oh my god, what the hell? I jump like normal, man. Last time I played this game, this was like this. Wait, so never thought. So okay, that's not apparently good. So I'm gonna end Grandpa's life again. Grandpa! Grandpa! How are you? Do you want to play hide and seek, man? I'm the guy. Oh, Manny. What's up, my man? What's up, dog? Oh, so sad. He just got thrown away by the king, the legend. I'm a legend. Subscribe. Grandpa wasting time. If he doesn't come, I'm going to kill him. Where is he? Would I kill him? And that is true. So, what the hell is doing, Grandpa? It's just such a waste of time. Okay. Hello. 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 Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, something is missing here. Something is missing here, so I'm going to take it. The time wasting grandpa. Okay, so he's a time waster. Old freak. So ugly, and I don't want to mess with him. I don't want to kill him right now. But, oh, that's so close. What is this glitch? What the hell? I never saw that coming. That is a this out. So what the? I'm making some bad waves. Wasting time. Time wasting, that is not my way. I'm not going to waste more time on this. This is not the goodest way. Taking the next bullet, going to go once again, and I'm going to kill them all once again. No, there's someone door. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Are you the big dog right now? I'm the big dog. I have the gun, you two have the nail before me right now. I'm the king. You don't have nothing. Your weapons are not going to work on me. It's so sad. Oh, here comes the grandpa. Granny. So, come on, Granny. You think you're so indestructible, huh? So bad. So bad. So bad. Oh, here comes Dong. Shakabooey. Okay, so taking this, leaving the house, with the ghost grandpa and granny. So sad. I am going to leave. What the flip? You gotta be kidding me. That glitch is a glitch. I'm going to leave. Baby, yeah. I'm gonna leave. You don't do nothing. You're so ugly. Grandpa. Oh, I'm gonna open this. Good. Take the gun. Let's go like a pro. I'm a pro. So I'm a pro. Apparently suspect. Okay, this thing. Again in the bullets. Come on. Do it. Easy peasy. And down. Make it good down. Shaka-boom. One more. This is the last chance. I need bullets. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna let you. Stop wasting time. You're wasting my time, man. What the hell? Wasting my ooh. Took the bullets. Oh my god, I forgot the trap. Oh my god, it could have been dead meat for me. In the way. Next time I'm gonna test it out. Now I can walk. I'm leaving this. I'm believe. Look at the helicopter. So I need the gasoline to Fill it up. There is nothing in the helicopter we need to do. Very simple fix. Sauce. If we put half on this and go to the boat, then it just has to. Still has in Granny 3, oh my god, that is so sus. In Granny 3 we have 3. Cinderella and Grandpa has the gun. Dun dun dun. This is so sus. If Grandpa has the gun, he's bye. Bye, Granny and Grandpa. I'm leaving the house. I killed your grandson. I killed your Wait, I forgot my gun. Hey, I forgot my gun. No. Oh, he's there. You are so disappointment. Like and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to the bell. Bye.